2030 is a nightmare dream. Mijati blasts ZANU PF leadership. By Karina Mijati, the 17th of September 2025. Spread the love. Political commentator Karina Mijati has launched a scathing attack on ZANU PF's push for the #ED 2030 agenda, accusing the ruling elite of betraying the legacy of the November 2017 coup and presiding over rampant failure. In her remarks, Mijati dismissed chants of 2030 as worthless celebrations of a disastrous coup, arguing that the very comrades who elevated Mnangagwa have since been sidelined. She singled out cabinet ministers Daniel Garwi and ZVAITWA, accusing them of being toothless dogs and varakashi, used to intimidate citizens perceived to oppose Mnangagwa's extended rule. They are plundering our minerals while parading themselves like backup dancers in a Mbakanga band performing at a funeral. Mijati charged, describing the ruling elite as crass thieves with no decorum or standards, typical of illiterates and prophets of doom. Mijati further argued that the government's failures are visible to all, saying, "Do they not feel shame when their failure is written even on their shoes? In 2025, they dare tell us they know what they are doing," dismissing the ZANU PF resolution to extend Mnangagwa's term. She concluded, "Truth is, 2030 is one nightmare dream that will remain nothing but a dream. Ikaramba iri kuhope cheat, not reality."